Hello traders. Today I'm here with Ms. Smita Parekh, who is India's leading trainer and trader of stock market. So, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Great. Cambridge has been a lovely experience.
Okay.
Yes.
So, here's your first question. Would you classify yourself primarily as a trader or an investor?
I'm a trader for sure.
Why?
Investment is something that we do. It's something that happens organically. We've been doing it since a while. But today, trading is something that gives you an edge. It gives you something that when you're looking for money flow, when you're looking for a regular income, trading is what it does.
Okay.
What does it for you?
Okay, so you're a trader. Which trading strategy do you personally follow and find most effective?
So I generally follow the price action strategy because price action is something that this is a leading indicator. And obviously your command over trends is very important. Once you understand the trends, once you understand the direction of the price move, once you understand the speed of the price move, and then when you apply the price action study to it, it gives you the turning points of the prices.
Then my last question, one single advice for those who are beginners in the trading world.
Do not burn your money. Always learn. Make educated decisions because money is important to everybody. So don't gamble in the stock market. It's a great place to make money, but don't gamble. Learn and make informed decisions.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your initial advice.
Thank you.